Well, all the seed is down, the straw mat's down. It's been down about 3 weeks. I don't know if you can see it or not, but a lot of good growth. The rains have been coming every 3 or 4 days, and it's really been beneficial. But the past week they've shut off. So I want to do something here and water it using the pond water. I have a pump, I have a hose we're going to put in the pond, and then I have 150 foot of garden hose all over. And we're just simply going to start down at that end and work our way back. So here we go. I'll take a look, but this is 3 weeks now since we put the seed down. And I've got a real high grade, deep shade lawn seed on the top of the dike and down towards the water. And then on the back side of the dike, I've got pasture grass. You've heard me talk about pasture grass. It grows on just about everything, and it'll get knee high and it'll maintain that height. And it'll be a real nice cover for the back of that dike. Okay, so I've got the pump primed. I've got the hose in the pond. I put a life jacket over on the end of it to help hold off the bottom so it doesn't just suck up a bunch of mud. I did this last night and it worked pretty well. So let's go ahead and get her started. Now I've charged my hose and we're ready to go like we're hooked up to city water. I started with the hand sprayer around the water pump because I didn't want to get it wet. I didn't want to use a lawn sprinkler in that area, so you'll see me doing it here by hand. I was really happy with the amount of pressure that little machine provided me. Look at the distance I could get, and look, this is better pressure than I have at home. Really happy with this. Well, I found it so relaxing that I just continued on down the line and just kept doing it. Here's the pasture grass. Remember what this looked like before with all that sludge coming in there? That pasture grass grew right over that and has really thrived on that. Really happy with the way this has turned out. I swear this has greened up a lot in just the 2 days. It's consistent watering I've been giving it. So it seems to be running the sprinkler just fine. We'll go ahead and give this a real thorough soaking today, and then we'll take a few days off. Overcast and low 60s this morning, high today at 76. That's going to be great. I won't be competing with the sun to dry this out at all. Well, here it is a few weeks later. The grass is growing well. It's time to start building my duck boxes, consider getting them in place. Start thinking about what kind of fish we want to stock it with next spring. The grass is really nice. Look at how strong it is. We've had a successful project, wouldn't you think? Yeah, the pond sprung a leak, and how disappointing after all that work. You can see how it's running down the hill. It came out just below that pipe we put in the ground. How disappointing. You can see the water running out there. Don't know quite what to do right now. I've researched 2 products, and I'm going to show you how I used them. A product called Soil Flock, and from Australia, a product called Damn It. So don't miss the next episode as we start trying to figure out how to fix this leak. You're not going to want to miss it. Thanks so much to my new subscribers. I really appreciate it. We'll see you next time from Today in Iowa.